Welcome to Motu Elephant TV!
Hey kids, today I teach you ABCD. Hey kids, today I'll teach you A for apple.
A for apple.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball!
The elephant plays with the ball.
Hey kids, today I teach you C for cat. C for cat. Hi kitty cat. Meow. Let's play. Brr. Hey kids, today I'll teach you D for dog.
D for dog.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you F for fish.
F for fish.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you G for goat. G for goat!
Hello, let's play.
Yay, this is fun! More! Hey kids, today I'll teach you H for hen.
H for hen.
A hen. Hello.
Hi there.
Let's play.
Yes, let's! Yay! Hey kids, today I'll teach you I for ice cream. This is the letter I. Crike!
I for ice cream.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you J for juice. J juice.
J for juice.
Ah. Hey kids, today I'll teach you K for kite.
K for kite.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you L for loin.
L for lion.
Hey kids, today I'll teach you M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Hee hee, monkey! Ooh, ooh, ah, ah! Fun! Hey kids, next is N for nest.
N for nest.
Hey kids, next is O for owl.
O for owl.
Hey kids, next is P for parrot. P for parrot. Hello. Let's play. Whee! P for parrot. Hey kids, next is Q for queen.
Hello, queen.
Q for queen.
Hello, little elephant. Let's play.
Yay! Hey kids! Next is R for rat.
R for rat.
Hi there! Hello! R is for rat. Let's play. Hey kids! Next is S for ship. S for ship!
S for ship.
Hey kids! Next is T for tiger. T for tiger!
Roar, let's play.
Yay! Catch me! Here I come! Hey kids, next is U for umbrella. U for umbrella!
U for umbrella.
Yay! Hey kids, next is V for van.
V for van.
Hey kids, next is W for watch.
W for watch.
Hey kids! Next is X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Kids, next is Y for yak. Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Kids, next is Z for zebra. See? Z!
Z for zebra. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. 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 Bye.
Hi friends, please like and subscribe to Motu Elephant TV for more fun videos.